हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू गाइडली। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप लोगों के पीपीबी के एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन अच्छी चल रही होगी। तो चलिए, सीरीज थर्ड लास्ट सीरीज है आपका मॉड्यूल ए का, चैप्टर नंबर 15 से 21 तक के सारे हम इसमें कवर करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए, विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं सेशन को। चैप्टर 15 है आपका एंसिलियरी सर्विसेज। चलिए, इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस फटाफट आज क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे। A demand draft is issued by the banks to be valid for 12 months, 3 months, 6 months या none of the above। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 3 month। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। A customer is entitled to issuance of a duplicate demand draft in place of the lost one provided। 5 ऑप्शन है। ऑप्शन ए, he gives due intimations to the issuing branch। Payments of demand draft not already made by the drawee branch, execution of an indemnity signed by both the payee and the purchaser of the demand draft, payments of a fee as applicable for issue of such duplicate demand draft या ऑप्शन ई ऑल ऑफ द अबव। करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ये चारों के चारों स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर करेक्ट है। नेक्स्ट है, वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट ट्रू विथ रिगार्ड टू अ लॉकर फैसिलिटी इन द बैंक। 4 ऑप्शन है। Option A, in case of the sole bearer of a safety locker, nominations can be made in favor of only one individual. Option B, a locker cannot be hired by limited companies, specified association and societies, etc. Option C, in the case of death of a sole locker bearer, where there is where there is nominations, access to the locker may be given to the nominee. Option D, where there are joint locker hires having a contract of the locker hire with a either or survivor clause and where there is no nomination, access to the locker may be given to the survivor in case of death of one of the hirer। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? इसमें से ट्रू कौन सा नहीं है? तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी, यानी अ लॉकर कैन नॉट बी हायर्ड बाय द लिमिटेड कंपनीज, specified association and societies, etc. Option B is the correct answer. One of the following statement is not true with respect to RTGS. Funds are transferable from the branch of one bank to the branch of another bank. Only the corporate and the government departments can avail of the facilities. The RTGS system is maintained and operated by RBI. Each participant's bank of the RTGS is required to open a dedicated settlement account for putting through its RTGS transactions. Not true बात किया है, तो only B is the correct answer. The corporates and the government departments can avail of the facilities बिल्कुल ही गलत है। RTGS सभी के लिए है। Implementation of electronic benefit transfer scheme is meant for which of the following types of customer? Pensioner only, low value accounts, high net worth individuals या disabled persons। तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? लो वैल्यू अकाउंट्स। नेक्स्ट, which of the following is not a common mode of remittance? Demand draft, fixed deposit, NEFT or RTGS? तो fixed deposit is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. What is demand draft? A type of currency note, a negotiable instrument instructing one bank branch to pay a certain amount to a specified persons. Option C, a bearer check. Option D, a personal check issued by the account holder। तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, a negotiable instrument instructing one bank branch to pay a certain amount to an specified person। तो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। चलिए, which of the following is not a common use of banker's check? Payment of a deceased account holder's balance to legal hire, payments of statutory due like electricity bill, withdrawal of the cash from a saving account, payments to contractors and service provider। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी, withdrawal of the cash from a saving account is the correct answer। This is not a common use of banker's check। What is the validity period of the demand draft for the banker's checks? 6 months, 12 months, 3 months या unlimited validity? 3 months is the correct answer। How many times can a demand draft be revalidated? Unlimited times, one within 1 year from the date of issue, twice within 2 years from the date of issue. Revalidations is not allowed। Correct answer होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, once within 1 year from the date of issue is the correct answer। What is the relationship between a bank and a hirer of a safe deposit locker? Creditor and debtor, lessor lessee, principal and agent, bankers and customer। Correct answer होगा lessor and lessee। Option B is the correct answer। What is required to open a locker? Only the customer key, only the master key, both the master key and the customer key, digital fingerprint authentications only. तो correct answer हो जाएगा both master key and the customer key. Option C is the correct answer. Before hiring out a locker, banks must complete only PAN verifications, KYC, CDD as per the guidelines, verifications of the property documents या credit score check. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number B, KYC and CDD as per the RBI guidelines. How long should CCTV recordings of the locker area be preserved? 90 days, 120 days, 180 days या 365 days. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? 180 days. What details are recorded in the access register for the locker operations? Name of the hirer, check-in and check-out time and signature, locker rent payment status, locker content list, locker key number. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number A, name of the hirer, check-ins and check-out time and signature. ठीक है, चलिए 16th number chapter पे चलते हैं. The scope of activities undertaken by the business correspondents will not include disbursal of small value credit, recovery of principal or collections of interest या collections of small value deposits. तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Collections of small value deposits. Option C is the correct answer. Banks cannot use the services of Dash as a business facilitator or a business correspondent. Non-governmental organizations, self-help group, विलेज सरपंच या माइक्रो फाइनेंस इंस्टीट्यूशंस. तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा इसमें ऑप्शन नंबर सी, विलेज सरपंच. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल डेवलपमेंट प्रोवाइड्स अ वन टाइम ग्रांट ऑफ रुपीज डैश टू द लीड बैंक इन एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट टू सेट अप वन RSETI. RSETI का फुल फॉर्म क्या होता है? रूरल सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट. तो अब आपसे पूछा है कि कितना वन टाइम ग्रांट किया गया है यहाँ पर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रूरल एंड डेवलपमेंट के द्वारा? 50 लाख, 1 करोड़, 10 लाख या 75 लाख. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 1 करोड़. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. What is the primary purpose of using business facilitator in banking? To conduct full banking operations independently, to assist bank in providing financial and banking services, to replace bank branches in rural areas, to offer foreign exchange services. Correct answer होगा option number B, to assist bank in providing financial and banking services. Which of the following entities can act as a business facilitator? Non-government organization, self-help group, post office and insurance agent या all of the above. तो कौन होगा इसमें करेक्ट आंसर? All of the above is the correct answer. Do banks require RBI approval to use intermediaries as a business facilitator? Yes, mandatory approval is needed. No, RBI approval is not required. Approval is required only for rural areas. Approval is required only for the urban areas. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number B, no RBI approval is not required. Which of the following can be appointed as a business correspondents? Retired government employees and teachers, kirana shop owners and petrol pump owners, NGOs and the microfinance institutions या all of the above. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? All of the above. Which of the following conditions must be met when engaging an NBFCs as a business correspondent? No mixing of bank funds with NBFCs fund, proper contractual arrangement to avoid conflicts of interest, NBFCs should not force customers to use its own services या all of the above. तो all of the above इसका correct answer होगा. Chapter 17 Customer Service Guideline. Banks are required to have a customer service committee at every branch, department, at its head office, regional office या none of the above. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? At every branch. तो banks are required to have a customer service committee at every branch. तो option A is the correct answer. Customer compensation policy provides for payment of compensation to the customer for delay in opening a saving account, issuing a checkbook, issuing a duplicate draft, filling up the passbook. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? Issuing a duplicate draft. Option C is the correct answer. For resolution of dispute related to the ATM's transactions, 4 options है. Banks can have a bilateral settlement arrangements. Issuing bank will solely liable for any loss to the customer. Acquiring banks will be solely liable for any loss to the customer. The settlement will be through the ATM service provider only. तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number D. The settlement will be through the ATM service provider only. For online card not present transactions, the authentication process is same as that for the card transactions done on POS and ATM. Require digital signature of the card holder. Require an additional factors of authentication based on informations not available on the card. Require a second level password also. तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number C. require an additional factor of authentication based on the information not available on the card. Business hours of bank branches are fixed by the RBI at the time of granting permission for the branch. Are as fixed by the concerned bank without any restrictions. Are as fixed by the district consultative committee and must be minimum 4 hours on all weekdays and the working Saturdays. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option number D is the correct answer. Must be minimum 4 hours on all weekday and working Saturday. Who has issued the key instructions on a customer services in bank? SEBI, RBI, IRDAI या Ministry of Finance. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Reserve Bank of India. How frequently should banks submit a memorandum on customer service to the board of directors? Every month, once every 3 months, once every 6 months या annually. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Once every 6 months. How many fee transactions, including financial and non-financial, are allowed per month at a customer's own bank ATM? 3, 5, 7 or 10. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? 5 is the correct answer. Which security measures is required for every ATM's transactions, including balance inquiry, biometric verifications, PIN validations, OTP verification या facial recognition? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? PIN validation. Within how many working days should a bank resolve customers' complaint regarding wrongful ATMs debit? T plus 3 days, T plus 5 days, T plus 7 days या T plus 10 days? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? T plus 5 days. तो अगर T plus 5 days के अंदर यहाँ पर कंप्लेंट को नहीं रिजॉल्व किया जाता है तो जितना डिले होगा उतना कॉम्पनसेशन चार्जेस बैंक को देना पड़ता है. तो 100 रुपीज पर डे के हिसाब से यहाँ पर देना पड़ता है. ठीक है, चलिए चैप्टर 18 पे चलते हैं. ड्यूटीज एंड राइट्स ऑफ अ बैंकर एंड कस्टमर राइट्स. The obligations of the bank to keep the affairs of their customers secret and confidential arises from specific law for the banking secrecy, contractual relationship, Banking Regulation Act या none of the above. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Contractual relationship. Which of the following is not a key commitment under the BCSBI code of bank commitment to the customer? 4 options हैं. To help customers use their accounts or service, to sanction loan facilities as per the customer's request, to deal quickly and sympathetically with things that go wrong, and to publicize the code. तो correct answer क्या होगा? Not a key commitment है, तो to sanction loan facilities as per the customer request. Which department now handles the customer protections after BCSBI dissolved? Banking Regulation Department, Consumer Education and Protections Department, Financial Influencing Department या Banking Supervision Department? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? CEPD यानी Consumer Education and Protection Department. Option B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a code issued by BCSBI? तो 2 कोड इशू किया गया है BCSBI के द्वारा. तो आपके पास 4 ऑप्शन है. कोड ऑफ द बैंक्स कमिटमेंट टू कस्टमर, कोड ऑफ द बैंक्स कमिटमेंट टू MSCs, कोड ऑफ द बैंक्स कमिटमेंट टू डिजिटल ट्रांजेक्शंस या नन ऑफ द अबव. तो इसमें करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी. आपके 2 ही कोड हैं, कोड ऑफ बैंक्स टू कस्टमर कमिटमेंट टू कस्टमर्स, कोड ऑफ बैंक्स कमिटमेंट टू MSCs. Why is customer awareness important in banking? To ensure customer understand their rights and duties, to reduce the bank's responsibilities towards customer, to increase the bank's profit margin या to limit customers transactions. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए, to ensure customers understand their rights and duties. Which of the following is the right of banks in a bank customer relationship? Bank's lien, right of setup, right of appropriations of the account या all of the above. तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे all of the above is the correct answer. If a customer is declared bankrupt, the balance in their account is given to whom? The customer's family member, the official receiver or liquidator, the bank manager or the government? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The official receiver or liquidator. What is the main responsibilities of the bank regarding customer awareness? To educate customers about the terms and conditions, to only provide banking services without explanations, to let customers learn on their own, and to avoid disclosing banking policies. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? To educate customers about the terms and conditions. What happens to a customer's bank account after their death? The bank allow normal transactions. The bank stop all the debit transactions. The account is immediately frozen permanently. The balance is given to the nominee without any procedure. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The bank stop all the debit transactions. Which department now handles the customers protections after the BCSBI dissolve? ये आपको ऑलरेडी बता रखा है मैंने. क्या होगा इसका करेक्ट आंसर? CEPD यानी कंज्यूमर एजुकेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शंस डिपार्टमेंट. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Who was the chairman of the committee that recommended setting up BCSBI? Raghuram Rajan, डी सुब्रो, एस एस तारापुर या उर्जित पटेल? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? एस एस तारापुर। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कोड इशूड बाय बीसीएसबीआई? अगेन ये चीज मैंने बता रखा है, दो कोड इशू किया गया है, कोड ऑफ बैंक कमिटमेंट टू द कस्टमर एंड कोड ऑफ बैंक कमिटमेंट टू द माइक्रो एंड स्मॉल एंटरप्राइजेस। करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी होगा। चैप्टर 19 ग्रीवियंस रेड्रेसल्स के बारे में है, चलिए इसको पढ़ते हैं। एज ऑन डेट हाउ मेनी बैंकिंग ओम्बड्समैन हैव बीन अपॉइंटेड? 10, 28, 22 या 90? करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 22। Dash act as the internal ombudsman of a bank? Chief compliance officer, chief risk officer, चीफ कस्टमर सर्विस ऑफिसर या हेड इंटरनल ऑडिट? तो कौन इंटरनल ओम्बड्समैन की तरह काम करता है बैंक में? तो चीफ कस्टमर सर्विस ऑफिसर। ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Banks are required to have a principal nodal officers at the branches, zonal office, regional office या head office? तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन डी, head office. Which of these modes of the complaint to a bank will not be adequate for filling a complaint with ombudsman? Dropping in the complaint box, through email to the specified ID, submitting at the branch with acknowledgement, through website on the link specified. तो आपसे पूछा है not an adequate, तो इसमें करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ड्रॉपिंग इन कंप्लेंट बॉक्स। ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। हु अपॉइंट्स द ओम्बड्समैन अंडर द आरबीआई इंटीग्रेटेड ओम्बड्समैन स्कीम 2021? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस या बैंकिंग एसोसिएशन? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया। विच टाइप ऑफ बैंक्स वर ओरिजिनली covered under the banking ombudsman scheme? Commercial bank, regional rural bank, scheduled primary cooperative banks या all of the above? तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर डी, all of the above. What is the name of the combined ombudsman scheme launched in 2021? RBI banking complaint scheme, integrated financial ombudsman scheme, Reserve Bank integrated ombudsman scheme 2021, आरबीआई यूनिफाइड बैंकिंग स्कीम? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, रिजर्व बैंक इंटीग्रेटेड ओम्बड्समैन स्कीम 2021. If a complainant voluntarily withdraw the complaint, how is the case treated? It goes to the RBI for final closure. It is treated as resolved. It stays open for 30 more days and the ombudsman still investigate. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? It is treated as a resolved. Which of the following is a key power of ombudsman? To address and close complaint, to pass awards when facilitations fail, to submit an annual report to RBI, or all of the above? तो correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? All of the above. Chapter 20, the Consumer Protection Act. The minimum age for the Consumer Protection Act is enacted to protect the manufacturing conditions of the industrial persons to be eligible to be a member of district commission is dash years, 30 years, 35 years, 40 years या 25 years? करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? 35 years. State Consumer Protection Council has to meet at least dash in a year, once in a year, 3 times a year, 2 times a year या 4 times a year? तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 2 times a year. ऑप्शन सी. What was a primary reason for enacting the Consumer Protection Act 2019? To provide better protections for corporate interest, to address inadequacies in the previous Consumer Protection Act of 1986, to eliminate all the forms of trade in India, to simplify tax regulations for the business? तो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर बी, to address inadequacies in the previous Consumer Protection Act of 1986. What new consumer protections aspects does the CPA, यानी Consumer Protection Act 2019, specifically address regarding marketing strategy? Consumer savings, advertising claims and endorsement, investment opportunities या credit facilities? Correct answer इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? Advertising claim and endorsement. According to the Consumer Protection Act 2019, who qualify as a consumer? कौन होता है consumer? A person who buy goods solely for resale, a person who hires services for commercial purpose, a person who buys goods for personal use and pays for them, a person who uses goods obtained for the commercial purpose. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? A person who buys goods for personal use and pays for them is the consumer. Who serve as the chairman of the Central Consumer Protection Council? The Chief Justice of India, the Ministry in charge of Consumer Affairs in Central Government, the Secretary of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, a Member of Parliament? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The Ministry in charge of Consumer Affairs in the Central Government. What is the penalty for failing to comply with the direction from CCPA? imprisonment for up to 1 month, imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or a fine up to rupees 20 lakh, a warning letter, or a suspension of business activities. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी। लास्ट चैप्टर है चैप्टर नंबर 21, द राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट 2005। Every citizen is entitled to seek information under the Right to Information Act from a public authority. True or false? Correct answer क्या है? True। Public authority means an authority established by government, authority established by law, a non-government organization, or any authority or a body or institutions of the self-government established or constituted by or under the constitutions by any other law made by parliament, by any other law made by state legislature, by notifications issued or order made by the appropriate government। तो क्या होगा इसका करेक्ट आंसर? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी। Central government appoints central public information officers in every public authority. True or false? Correct answer है false। Right to information means the right to inspections of the work, documents and record, taking notes, extract or certified copies of the documents or report, taking certified samples of the material, all the above, and obtaining the informations in the form of diskettes, floppies, etc. of the information stored in a computer or in any other device. The correct answer क्या होगा? Option D is the correct answer। Central Assistant Public Information Officers has to forward the request for informations to the concerned public authority within 5 days of the receipt of the request if it does not relate to this organizations. True or false? Correct answer होगा true। Under right to information, competent authority in the case of authorities established or constituted by or under the constitution is president or governor, prime minister, head of authority, chief justice of India or chief justice of High Court। Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? president or governor। Who is the competent authority for the Supreme Court of India? The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, Chief Justice of India, yeah, the Governor। Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The Chief Justice of India। According to the Section 3 of the Right to Information Act, who is granted the right to access information? Foreign nationals, citizens of India, government officials only, or the non-resident Indian? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Citizens of India। Public authorities are required to publish and update information every year. Which of the following is not one of the items to be disclosed? The particulars of the organization and its functions, the personal data of the citizens requesting information, the power and duties of the officers and employees, and the budget allocated to each agency. Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The personal data of the citizens requesting information. Option B is the correct answer। Who appoints the Chief Information Commissioner and Central Information Commissioner? The Prime Minister, the President, the Union Cabinet or the Chief Justice of India? Correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? The President। तो ये आपके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन थे रिगार्डिंग पीबी मॉड्यूल ए। तो जितना मैंने मॉड्यूल ए में पढ़ाया था ना, टिल चैप्टर 1 से लेकर के चैप्टर नंबर 21 तक, ये सारे के सारे मैंने आपको एमसीक्यूज प्रोवाइड किए। ठीक है, आई होप अगर आप एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, रिवीजन कर रहे हो, कल आपका पेपर है, तो आई होप आप इसको देख के जाओ सो दैट आपको क्वेश्चंस इसमें से काफी ज्यादा मैच करे एग्जाम में और आप अच्छे से एग्जाम्स को दे पाओ। तो मुझे जरूर बताइएगा कि मॉड्यूल ए में मैंने जितने क्वेश्चन कराए हैं, वेदर इस क्वेश्चन से आपको इस फायदा हुआ है कि नहीं, इससे आपके एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन आया है कि नहीं। कल आप लोगों का पेपर है, तो ये चीज जरूर बताइएगा। एंड गाइस बिल्कुल भी पैनिक मत कीजिएगा, बिल्कुल काम रहिएगा, आराम से एग्जाम देने चाहिएगा, ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको। कैलकुलेटर, आप बेसिक कैलकुलेटर लेकर के जा सकते हैं, अच्छी तरीके से एग्जाम दीजिएगा। ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस, जितना हो पाए अच्छे से कीजिएगा, डू योर बेस्ट। तो चलिए मिलते हैं हम लोग नेक्स्ट डे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए अच्छी तरीके से आप पीपीवी की प्रिपरेशन कीजिए एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू।